Hello guys, welcome to the 23rd session of using Microsoft Board Framework, LUIS and Cognitive Services tutorials for beginners. In this session we will learn what is LUIS. Note that Microsoft has recently changed user interface of LUIS and made compulsory to use Azure Board Services instead of Board Framework service. So it may be possible at that time when you are watching this, you have different user interface. Both concept will be same. LUIS stands for Language Understanding Intelligence Service. It is created by Microsoft and usually used with Microsoft Board Framework and Azure Cognitive Services. It allows your application to understand what a person wants in his own words. LUIS uses machine learning to allow developers to build applications that can receive user input in a natural language and extract meaning from it. One of my favorite features is its user interface is very simple and it is also free. Using LUIS, you can create an application that will power algorithm using few lines of code and it works across all platforms and devices. You can also use Wit.ai owned by Facebook or API.ai owned by Google. Both of them provide similar functionality for creating boards. I had already created one series on API.ai. If you are a Google fanboy, then you can also try it. A discount coupon for this course is available in bonus lecture. Here is a simple example in which both will send a welcome message when we got hi from the user. In the first case, user enter hi, so we can easily send a welcome message to the user. But in the case when the user says hello, our bot will not understand it. In this case, LUIS comes in the picture. LUIS will identify that hi and hello both are greetings, so both have same response and we can send a welcome message in hello too. Here is a simple diagram that specifies where LUIS is placed. First of all, the user will send a request to out both via different type of services or channels like Facebook Messenger, Skype, Slack, Telegram, etc. This will be sent to both connector. We will learn about both connector in next session. Both connector will obtain user's request and send it to LUIS, which will specify the intent name, entity name, etc. Let us switch to the browser and open LUIS.ai. Scroll down. There is an example of response generated by LUIS. Click on first utterance. Book me a flight to Cairo. On this utterance, LUIS will return this response. This includes top scoring intent as well as some other intent details with the score. It also contains entities within an utterance. The entity is just like parameter, which value will be retrieved from the user. Here, Cairo is an entity. Click on second utterance. Order me 2 pizza. On this utterance, top score intent is food order. And we got two different entities. First is the type of number, that is 2, and second is food type, that is pizza. I know some of you are not familiar with terminologies like utterance, intent, and entity. We will see this in next sessions. Let us scroll up and click on Sign in or Create an account button. From here we need to log in with Microsoft account. Allow required permission. I had already given, so it does not prompt for it. We will create our first app in next session. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.